Coyote. Here we have a coyote. Maybe we can find one of these coyotes there. The fluffy coyote. Maybe we can find one of these coyotes there. I think this is actually a real coyote form. And then in here we have the bobcats. Here we see there is a little board getting clawed by the flying board. So that's cool. And here are some animals we can actually find at Upper Newport Bay. You can actually find a lot of bobcats, coyotes, raccoons, fox squirrels, possums, skunks, rabbits, ferrets, actually here at Upper Newport Bay.